So if the DTSX or the equalizer is not working on your HyperX NGENUITY software, well, there are a few things that you can try doing here to fix this issue. So the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to make sure that to disable any conflicting software here or sound software that you're also using. So in some cases, like for example, if you're using like an AMD on or and you have like a GPU, AMD GPU here, typically what you just need to do is you want to make sure that AMD noise suppression is actually turned off. So basically this is under the Adrenaline edition, not only if you have an AMD graphics card here. But yeah, it's going to be under sound and video here, and you want to make sure that to basically enable or disable it and try to see which one actually works. And if this doesn't work, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to disable or uninstall certain apps here or services or in this case software that runs the actual or the driver. So in this case, you want to go to your search bar here, just type in the following. It's going to be device manager. Go and open it up. Now inside device manager here, you want to look for sound, video, and game controllers. Expand this one, and again, you want to look for any HyperX device. Now if you have like let's say a HyperX Wireless 3, you want to go and just right click on it, and you want to go and just basically click on uninstall device. Now once you've uninstalled Wireless 3 or anything or any like device you're using for HyperX, you want to go and just close this window, restart your PC, and that would basically solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.